Hey guys, welcome back to Blake Gibson 304 here. We've now just loaded up and ready to go to MX Farm, and hopefully it doesn't rain because it looks pretty cloudy over. But and so come along with us, guys, on this little journey here with this one, and everyone else will be there. And yeah, see you guys at the gate.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential. Sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else is success.